Hey everyone, I'm here at Taylor Group, and they are a fabricator of installations. Let's have a quick look around. You can see it's a big warehouse. They're building lots of things. Basically, trade show floor booths. And this is only half the space. And I'm in one that we're building right now. And this is for Fort McMurray, and it involves this big conveyor system here. So my job is to create a system that interfaces from a computer to this electrical panel to control the motion of this conveyor. So the conveyor has 12, or will have 12 shelves on it, and you can use the touchscreen interface to dial up which shelf you want it to go to. And then it will come into a position. There will be an artwork on each shelf, and you can read about the artwork and the artist who created it. So let's just see how this works. The UI is not here at the moment, but I can just type in a shelf number. And what this says is it tells me the distance, that it is a certain number of units away from that position. And when it gets to that position, should just stop. Right there. And now let me type in another one. Let's say, let's go down to 4, or shelf 3. Now it's reversing the other direction, and it goes fast until it's within one shelf's distance, and then it will slow down, as we're seeing right now, and then when it arrives at the right position, it will stop. So the shelf of interest will always be down here. Okay, let's look inside this electrical panel to see what's happening. I have to put this camera down for a sec. Okay, what do we got? Okay, so a lot of people will be aghast to see this Arduino in the middle of this, but there it is. We have an Arduino Mega connected to this relay board, and the relay board interfaces with the PLC over here. On the relay board we have controls for a few different things. There's a direction relay, a go and stop relay, and a slow and a fast relay. So what I do here is, let's have a look. When I enter a number here, it will change the configuration of these relays, which feeds into this guy. These outputs feed into the motor over there. That's the VFD that actually interfaces with the motor, which is at the top here. Then we have these sensors, 1, 2, 3 sensors, which feed back into through these wires here, and eventually back into the Arduino. Let's have a look at the sensors. Sorry, let me get this in motion. What you can see is that this sensor detects every single pendant that goes by, so we can count 6 pendants between shelves, and by seeing these triggers. This is basically a redundant sensor. It's a magnetic sensor that senses each shelf, because there will be a single sensor or magnet on each shelf. And then this one over there is for calibrating the whole unit. It's for dead reckoning. So we have one magnet on that side per rotation. So we can use that to say which is shelf number 1. And that's basically it. We have the software feeds into this guy, feeds into here. There's definitely other ways we could have gone about doing this, but it was probably the easiest way to get there. Thanks.